This is how to make a Suno AI song. Suno AI will get you there. On the left sidebar, there is a note symbol. That is to create a song. Lyrics are on the top, styles are below. The More Options button is a choice that offers male or female singers as well as manual lyrics you write for yourself. We're going to use the automatic setting in order to demonstrate how the AI portion works. I have a dog named Charlie. He is a basset hound. He likes gravy train and taking walks outside. All that is left to do is pick a style. You can pick 50s, Southern California rock, Southern rock, whatever. For this song we will pick blues rock. Hit the create button and you've made your first Suno song. While we're waiting for the song to be made, it usually takes between 2 and maybe 4 minutes. If you hit the refresh icon, it will give you more styles than you would ever imagine. You'll notice they have very nice artwork for the songs that you make. So in less than a few minutes, you have a 3-minute and 57-second song. I'll play just a little of it to give you a general idea.
Charlie's my basset hound, and he's a loyal dog. Charlie barks a lot, but I know he likes me. Charlie runs into the yard, and he eats all of my shoes. Charlie sleeps a lot.
Here is how to download your song. MP3 audio. With a little time and imagination, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, you can custom tailor your songs for your friends. Here's me singing into a flashlight with a cowboy hat for effect. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I use Suno all the time these days. Thanks for watching.
I hear a lot of whining. What about this and what about that? This is my song. I made it. It's mine. It might sound a little like something else, but everything sounds like something else. There are only so many notes between me and AI. That sounds great. As of right now, this song took 3 minutes. Time for some copy paste. This is my song. I made it. It's mine. It's mine. This is my sound. I made it. It's mine. This is my song. I made it, it's mine. It might sound a little like something else, but everything sounds like something else. There are only so many notes. This is gonna be a great song. I just know it. I'll be giving out backstage passes in no time. Time for a quick copy paste. I hear a lot of whining. What about this? And what about that? This is my song, I made it. It's mine. It might sound a little like something else, but everything sounds like something else. There are only so many notes between me and AI. This sounds great. Yes, right now this song took 5 minutes. Time for some copy paste. This is my song.